Hi, I'm Rupesh, Cloud Architect at Innominds. I have around 25 years of experience working with system design and developing platforms for the cloud. So recently, the way I work has changed using AI tools like AWS Cairo, Google Anti-Gravity, GitHub Copilot. So it gives a lot of documentation and best practices for designing serverless systems of IoT and microservices systems for the cloud. So what I call as there's a lot of help in terms of architectural orchestration, and the velocity is improving and helping us to build better platforms for the cloud. So one of the important projects I worked on was building models for the edge in IoT systems. It was a multi-step workflow involving deploying edge models from the cloud to SDN networks. So they are building self-healing systems for the edge, doing OTA, and also sending only the required inferences to cloud, reducing bandwidth. This multi-step workflow was built using Agno agents, Agentic AI, and the IDE tools helped us a lot in building CI/CD platforms and also testing it out for resilience, scaling, and other 6 pillars required for the cloud. Looking ahead, I think a lot of the agentic AI systems will be handling the infrastructure in the cloud. I suggest my peers to try out these tools and build resilient systems using Agentic AI and human in the loop to bring a better coexistence of AI and human intelligence.